Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Maya Desira Gustiana. Bukan Kobi Maeda. I born in Semarang on September 13, 2001. I'm a student in third semester of System Information at Telkom University. On this situation, I will presentation about media and tools used in presentation. First of all, let me tell you about multimedia. Multimedia consists of two words, multi and media. Multi means many or multiple, and media is medium of communication. So, multimedia means using more than one medium of communication. Multimedia refers to the presentation of information and instruction through a combination of graphic, audio, text, or video. Multimedia instruction is often interactive. Next about element of multimedia. There is six elements are text, graphic, image, audio, video, and animation. You can combine text, graphic, image, or other for your presentation. Uh, okay, next is type of presentation. I explain. Presentation itu have three types. There is visual and audio. Visual is about overhead transparencies, slide, handout, white or blackboard, and other. And then audio uh, is about cassette tape, compact disc, and other. And then audio and then visual and audio. Visual and audio is about video tapes, films, computer multimedia, and other. Okay, the last one is presentation software tools. There are so many software tools you can use, but I recommended 5 software tools. There are PowerPoint, Canva, Lazy, Google Slides, and Powtoon. For this presentation, I use Canva because easy to use and many features. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for all my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.